Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this amazing effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's break it down to 3 steps. First of all, you have to record the clips. Make sure that the camera is fixed on a tripod and you have to take each shot both with and without the object. Secondly, you need to have this shockwave preset. Import the preset into Adobe Premiere Pro and we'll use it later in the editing process. And lastly, the editing part. For this, I'll be using the 2023 version of Adobe Premiere Pro. Here we are in the Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll create a new project. Let's give it a name. And here we have to choose a location where we want to save the file and click create. Now we are in our project and we'll import our video files here. Here you can see I have 2 clips, and for each clip I have a snapshot of scene without the object. And we have this shockwave preset. Now let's create a sequence by dragging a clip to the timeline and add the second clip as well. Now we have to add both snapshots of clips where the first clip ends on the upper layer. And to make it smooth, select first picture, go to effects control, add keyframes and change the opacity from 100 to 0%. And do it with the other picture as well. Now we have something like this. Finally, we have to add shockwave preset on both of the pictures to make the effect realistic. Increase the speed of the clip. In the effects control panel, change the blending mode to screen. Adjust the position of this effect and duplicate this effect to the other shot as well by holding the Alt key. We will add a 3D effect at this point. And decrease the opacity of this effect. Here I have few sound effects already downloaded. Let's add some sound effects and the final result looks like this.